Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account you'll change. Mistakes here remove access to the wrong library. Next, make a quick backup of any photos you'll need later. Copy to local drive or export via Google Takeout. Once done, open Google Photos on your phone or browser and wait for your library to fully load. This ensures the settings you change apply to the intended account and prevents accidental permanent deletions. Now you'll turn off continuous backups so Google Photos stops syncing new images. On mobile, tap your avatar, go to Photos settings, then Backup and Sync and toggle it off. Make sure the toggle shows disabled. On desktop, open Settings, gear icon, and verify Backup and Sync is off for that account. After that, inspect device folders in the app and disable auto backup for camera or messaging folders so no new photos are uploaded automatically. Finish by revoking app access and signing out where appropriate. You can uninstall the Google Photos app or remove its permissions in device settings to stop local access. On web, sign out of the account in the browser. If you need to fully disconnect services, go to your Google account, Security, then Third-Party Access and revoke any connected apps. If something still uploads, check device account lists and sign out or remove the account from that device. This fixes lingering syncs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.